Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have the gift card in hand. Now act. Sign into the exact Roblox account you want to credit because once redeemed it stays there. Open Roblox. Com or the app, then navigate to the redeem page. Keep the code visible and free of extra spaces when you copy it. This prevents input errors. If it's a physical card, scratch gently to reveal the code. Once ready, enter the code exactly and press redeem to move to the next step. Once you paste or type the code, double-check for stray spaces or line breaks because those cause failures. Click Redeem and pay attention to the confirmation panel. It tells you whether Robux or credit was applied. If the site asks to link payment method or choose Robux packages, make your selection now. This determines immediate use. If the code shows as already redeemed, check other accounts you control before contacting support. Make sure to refresh your balance to see the updated amount. After redeeming, spend the balance for Robux, premium, or items. Verify cart totals before purchase to avoid surprises. If you encounter an error, first re-enter the code carefully and confirm you're on the correct region site because region locks cause failures. Next, check other accounts you own. If problems persist, contact Roblox support with screenshots, the card serial, and purchase receipt. They can trace redemptions. One troubleshooting tip: clear browser cache or try a different device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.